Is your Verizon SIM card not working? Here's a quick guide to common issues and fixes. First, power cycle your device and check the SIM card for any physical damage or improper insertion. If that doesn't work, there are three main culprits: SIM swaps, locked PUK codes, and activation problems. SIM swaps occur when fraudsters transfer your number to a new SIM, potentially granting access to your accounts. PUK codes lock your SIM after too many incorrect PIN attempts. An activation check verifies if your SIM is registered on Verizon's network. This segment covers how to diagnose and address these issues to restore your Verizon service quickly. If you suspect a SIM swap, contact Verizon immediately and enable two-factor authentication on all critical accounts where possible. To unlock a PUK-locked SIM, retrieve your PUK code from the My Verizon app or contact Verizon support. Avoid guessing the code. For activation issues, use the My Verizon app or dial 228 for CDMA devices. Also, make sure the device is compatible with Verizon's network. Note that Verizon has enhanced security with mandatory 2FA for SIM swaps and real-time fraud detection, reducing incidents by 15% year over year. If problems persist, visit a Verizon store for SIM replacement, which costs $10 to $25.